Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create these smooth animated gradients inside After Effects. Let's get started. First, create a new composition, make it Full HD and set the duration to 10 seconds. Next, add a new solid and name it Background. Now let's add the 4-color gradient effect to the background layer. Go ahead and select your 4 colors. To make sure they look great together, you can use Humint.com and its 4-gradient color generator. This will give you perfectly harmonized colors. Once you have your colors, create keyframes for all 4 gradient points. Then move the timeline to 10 seconds and reposition the points to animate them. Next, add the twirl effect. Set the rotation to 1 degree. Move your time indicator back to the beginning. Set the radius to 10 and keyframe it. Then, at the end of the timeline, increase it to 20. To fix the edges, add a motion tile effect on top of all the effects. Increase both output width and height to 350. Now create a new adjustment layer. Let's call it Waves. By the way, quick heads up, I have a full pack of 15 gradient backgrounds for After Effects and Premiere Pro. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description below. Alright, let's continue. On the Waves adjustment layer, apply the wave warp effect. Change the wave type to circle, set the wave height to 500, and add a keyframe for wave width starting at 300. Set the wave speed to 0.2, then move to the end of the timeline and increase the wave width to 350. Again, to fix the holes, copy and paste the motion tile effect and place it on top. Make sure to mirror the edges for a more fluid look. Now let's add some texture. Between wave warp and motion tile, add a noise effect and set the amount to around 5%. This step is optional, but it really helps reduce color banding. Finally, adjust the wave warp direction to around 50 degrees. And that's it. You can play with the colors and tweak the settings until you get the look you want. Oh, and don't forget, I've put together a pack of 15 ready-made gradients for After Effects and Premiere Pro. You can check it out in the description. Thanks for watching.